Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel Toiletterian. I bring to your attention fragrances that are usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think they deserve a second look. They are good value for money. I think you should at least try them for yourself, do your research and see if they're good to you. Today I have a first impression of this Ard Zaafaran Oud Al Samou. Dehn Oud Al Samou. Dehn Oud Samou. Okay, very difficult name. And so let's go and we do the first impressions, see how it goes. As you know, Ard Zaafaran is one of the Middle Eastern houses that make good perfumes for affordable prices, and this should be another of those. Come on, Ard Zaafaran. Okay. So as you can see, the box is quite simple, but it does the job perfectly. Basically protects the bottle. Okay, and the bottle itself is quite cute. Okay, so it's a nice thick bottle, very heavy, and it's got that Oud Al Samou in front of it. And the cap is plastic, nothing to brag about. And let's see the atomizer. Very good atomizer. It gives the right amount, not too much, not too little. Beautiful distribution. Okay, Oud Al Samou. How does it smell? First impression. Goodness me, I can smell it already. Feeling the room. Very strong. Yeah, as he says, Dehn Oud Al Samou, it is very oody. So the oud, first thing is it hits you and is animalic. Oh, it's barnyardy, is animalic. So if you like your oud, this is up your alley. If you don't like those barnyards, those animalic, those earthy fragrances, oud especially, this is not for you. This is not for the faint-hearted. But under £20, this is a bargain. Yeah, the first thing it hits you is the oud, is animalic, is barnyardy, and then behind it is lots of dried fruit. Dried fruit like date, like raisin, like apricot. But I cannot get past that animalicness. It's quite animalic. It's not a huge animalic, it's like a medium in terms of animalicness, but it's there. You can notice it immediately. Oh goodness me. So it's got a little bit of resinous feel to it, and it's earthy, it's got a little bit of that, as I said, animalic barnyard and soil-like smell to it. And the dry fruit are at the moment they are in the background. As I said, dry fruit like raisins, like dates, like apricots. Quite like when you open a jar of raisin and it's been in the kitchen for a while, when you smell that, it smells like this. Yeah, it's quite the fruits are a little bit like overripe. So they are overripe dried fruits with a little bit of boozy feel to it. It's not boozy, it's like, you know when dry fruits sit in one place and they go a little bit funny, yeah, a little bit like overripe fruits smell to it. Wow. So it's woody, is animalic, is barnyardy, is fruits, dry fruits, is resinous, is a little bit soil and earth. But overall, for the price, it smells very good. But with a huge but, and that huge but is this is not for everybody. First thing first, this is for people who like their oud, they like their orientals, they like different fragrances. This is the first thing. Second thing is this is mature. This is 25 and up easy, maybe 30 and up, because very mature. Third thing, this is it is cooler weather, but I think this is one of those that you can wear it almost every time if you control the trigger. So right now, in the first impression, this is my conclusion. This is not for everybody, obviously, but if you like this kind of fragrances, oudi, earthy, animalic, barnyardy, dry fruits, resins, soil, earth, this is absolutely gorgeous. Especially for the price, you cannot beat this, you know, for a 90 ml EDP, and it's very, very strong right now. In few days time, I'll give you an update how it goes, how the development, and also the projection and longevity and all good things. But right now, it is filling the room basically. It's very, very strong. Yeah, so barnyard, animalic, earthy, resins, dry fruits, ambery, earthy, dirty fragrance right now. Okay guys, I hope that was informative. I've linked in the description where you can find it for the cheapest. Hopefully, I'm not affiliated, I just put it there for your convenience. If you like this video, if you find it informative, if you find it entertaining, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you later guys. Thank you very much. Bye.